Good morning, students. How are you? I wish you to be happy and healthy. Okay, right. Now today we are discussing the 7th example. Keep a star for that one. In an application oriented, it is most important question. Okay, these 3 questions which are based on application of similar triangles. Is it clear? 5, 6, 7. Coming to the 7th example, Gopal is worrying that his neighbor can see into his living room from the top floor of his house. He decided to build a fence that is high enough to block the view from their top floor window. What should be the height of the fence? The measurements are given in the figure. I think you can see the figure there in your textbook, isn't it? So this is the building of Mr. Gopal, and this is the living room window, and this is the top floor of his neighbor. Let this point be E. So from here he can see into the living room. That is the problem what Mr. Gopal is facing. Okay. Here we have already a position where the height of the wall is given. So this is the height of the wall, already it is given. Okay guys, this is 1.5 meters, 1.5 meters, and this window, the height of the window from the base, that is 1.5 meters. Now Mr. Gopal wants to build a fence. He has already a fence here. Okay. So B, D, he wants to increase this one. This is 12 meters, 1.5 meter, and this part is required to increase. That is B, D. This is C, R, Q, and P. Okay guys, did you able to understand everybody? Now the total distance from here to here is 8 meters. And the distance from here to here is 2 meters. This is the total figure information given to us. Now according to the figure, you can see here you have 2 triangles. Okay, the 2 triangles be, okay, ABD is one triangle and ACE is another triangle. We have 2 triangles here. Okay. Right, I say that these 2 triangles are similar. So from figure, you can observe clearly, from figure, in triangle ACB, in triangle ACB, and triangle, sorry, ACE, and triangle ABD. Observe the 2 triangles ACE and ABD, where you can see angle C is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degrees, and this angle at this point A, what you can observe, is common. Angle CAE is equal to angle BAD, that is common angle. Okay guys, now we want to find this height BD, which is not known to us. Let it be H. Now I am going to take this part. This is up to this A, this BD is up to this A, and this distance from here is QP. So QP is equal to AB, which is 2 meters. Similarly, AC is equal to PR, which is equal to 8 meters. As the 2 triangles ACE is similar to triangle ABD by AA similarity, now you can equate the corresponding sides ratios. Therefore, what do you say? CE by BD, very good. CE by BD is equal to CE by BD is equal to AC by AB. AC by AB. Now let us substitute the values. What is CE? That is equal to 12. Okay, 12. No, I am sorry, it is mistaken there. They gave 12 in the figure. You can observe that one. 12 in the figure but in the values they has given 1.2. So change in the figure, change in your figure, that is 1.2, not 12. Okay, so 1.2 by BD is unknown to us, H, which is equal to AC is 8 by BD is 2. Okay, now I am going to make cancellation. 4, make a transpose. Okay, so that what do you get here? 12, 12, 12. This is just 12, not 1.5. 12. Make cross multiplication. H is equal to 12 upon 4. 4 ones, 4 threes implies H is equal to 3 meters. H is equal to 3 meters. Okay, ma. This is the value of BD. But we want to find the total height of the fencing. So this part is nothing but 1.5 and this upper part is 3. So what is the total height? Therefore, total height is equal to BQ plus BD, BQ plus BD, that is equal to 1.5 plus 3, which is equal to 4.5 meters. Is it clear? Okay, right. Very good. This is the total height of the fencing to rise so that the neighbor cannot see into the living room. Right, guys. Very good. Now we go to the exercise 8.2 first Roman. Okay, Nana? Exercise 8.2 first Roman. Okay. These 3 questions I repeat once again, 5, 6, 7. Those 3 questions are most important. Okay, learn them very well. Right. Now the first question in exercise 8.2. The first question given is, in the figure angle ADE is equal to angle B. That's it given, that's all. See here, A, B, C. Here is 90 and D, E. This D and this B are given as equal. Are you clear? Right, Nana. So what is given? Given in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, angle B is equal to angle ADE. The next, to show. What is asked to show here? The first question is triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. And what is the second question? If AD is equal to 3.8, I will write later. Okay, let's write later. Let's first of all see this one. You observe carefully. Yeah, very good, Amma, very good. In triangle ABC and triangle ADE, what can you say common in both of them? ABC, ADE, I think A is common, isn't it? Angle BAC is equal to angle DAE. This is common angle. And one more thing is given, what is that? Angle, very good, come on. Angle B is equal to angle ADE. This is in the given. So what can you say? We say that the 2 triangles are similar. Triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE by AA similarity. By AA similarity. Is that clear? The first question is completed. Now we go to the second question. What is it given? If AD is equal to 3.8, AD is equal to 3.8 centimeters, AE is equal to 3.6 centimeters, BE is equal to 2.1 centimeters and BC is equal to 4.2 centimeters. Asked to find DE. Okay, we want to find DE in this case. Now observe carefully, as the 2 triangles are similar, you can equate the ratios of the corresponding sides. Come on, tell me what are the sides? AB by AD, very good. AB by AD, this is from 1. Now the next, BC by DE, very good Nana. BC by DE, which is equal to AC by AE. AC by AE. Observe carefully, what do you know here? You know that AD, very good, we have AD. But do we have AB? We don't have AB. But we have BE and AE. Observe carefully. BE and AE. BE and AE combines to give AB. That means we have AB also. So AB I will write it as AE plus BE by AD is equal to, BC is also known to us, BC by DE. So we don't need this part. We just want to substitute the values. AE is 3.6, BE is 2.1, AD is 3.8 is equal to BC is 4.2 by D. How much do you get here? 5.7, okay, into DE is equal to 4.2 into 3.8. Now let us calculate. DE is equal to 4.2 into 3.8 by 5.7. How could you cancel? Yes, very good. 3 ones, 3 nines, 3 ones, 3 fours, 19 ones, 19 twos. So DE is equal to 2.8 centimeters. DE is equal to 2.8 centimeters. Is it clear, Nana? Did you understand the question? Observe carefully the question. Two triangles, given that one angle is equal, asked to show that they are similar. We shown it by AA similarity. As it is AA similarity, you can equate the corresponding sides ratios. Basing that one, we find the value. Okay? Thank you. Bye.